and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today we are going to do some Christmas card DIYs. So first things first, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Make sure you like this video at the end, and also so you're notified every time I upload, be sure that you have the bell turned on so you get notified. I do know that a lot of people are not being notified by YouTube, but still make sure you have it on. I will also let you know on Instagram when I have uploaded a new video, so make sure you're following me on Instagram, and you can find all of my social media links down below. So let's get started. Okay everyone, so I have so much stuff here on my table. That's because I have 4 different cards that I am going to make today. First, we're going to start off with our 3D bulb kind of greeting card. Now, you could put whatever you want on the inside. I'm just showing you some cool designs that maybe you could do on the outside of your card. There's your first little greeting card, and you can do this on the inside as well if you don't want to do it on the outside. But yeah, I think for this one I'm actually going to glue down this red here a little bit to make it a little bit better. And you can use more decoration if you want more circles. I mean, if you want yours to open a little bit more. But yeah, I think this is really cute, really fun. My family loves DIY greeting cards, so this will be perfect for me to teach the kids how to do, to send to grandparents and aunts and things like that with their little pictures that they took this year. And of course, you can decorate the inside however you want. If in fact you are going to do this design on the inside, when you put down your main circle, you're going to make sure it's on both sides, so when the card opens, it opens into the design and not just on one side. So just a little tip. Moving on to our next card. Okay, so our next project, again, I used the same size card, 8.5 by 5. We are going to make a Christmas tree with washi tape.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, much pleasure
Like I said, now that we have the tree, we need a stem, which I'm going to do with the silver. Would have been cute if we would have had like a green, but that's okay. So we're gonna put our stem down. Hopefully I have this as centered as possible. Okay, so all we need now is a star. And you can make yours going up a little bit smaller if you like. Just maybe putting one more piece at the top. There we go, and we'll put a star. And because this is more silvery, I think I'm going to put a silver star on top. Yeah. So now we're going to use the hot glue. I'm just going to place a little dollop of it right there. And then put our star there. And there you go. That is our second card. And there you have it. This is our third holiday DIY card, and it's a wreath. So let's move on to our last and final card. And this card is going to be done with ribbon and some little leaf decorations I have. So I have this from last year. You guys may recognize this from last year's Thanksgiving centerpiece. I still had some of this left over, so I'm just going to cut these leaves off when I need them. So we have that. This ribbon I also got from the Dollar Tree last year, either the Dollar Tree or Joann's, I can't remember, but this is something I purchased last year. So like I said, this is going to be our easiest, simplest card to do. Okay, and there you have it. This is our fourth card. And this one was really simple. Just used some decorative ribbon, some gold leaves here that I got from Dollar Tree, these little snowflake decals, and of course, again, you can write whatever you want to write on the inside. For my family members, I think I'm going to put in pictures of the kids. So let's do a recap of everything we've made today. So again, we have our ribbon card with decals. We have our wreath card here. We have our slightly awkward Christmas tree. And our very first one that we made is our bulbs. And I think they all came out really nice. It adds a nice little personal touch to all of your holiday greeting cards. If you have any questions or comments that you want to make based on what we've done today, go ahead and leave all of that down below. Again, make sure you're following me on my social media. All of that is down below. I leave all updates and extra things on my Instagram and Insta stories, so be sure you're following me mainly on Instagram. I upload at least 2 to 3 times a week. Again, that will change in the coming year. I do have plans for this channel as well as other things. If you like this video, please give me a big old thumbs up so I know what kind of things you guys like and what to do more of. If you are new and you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified every time I upload. The links to my blog, my book, as well as the website where I sell merchandise that I make is also down below. And I will see all of you next time. Bye!